Recently, I got to spend a few minutes in Tom Bloomquist's class to observe how he adds a little fun and a lot of learning to giving a quiz. Here's how it works. He asks a student to draw a card, and if the student draws an ace, everyone works independently. But if they pull a 2, they get to use their notes. If they pull a 3 or a 4, they get to work in partners. If they pull a 5 or a 6, they get to work in groups. Listen to how excited the class gets when the student pulls a 3.
Partner.
He learned this method at a conference years ago and says it encourages greater discussion during the quiz, which leads to a deeper understanding of the topic and ultimately better results. And his students had a lot to say about the benefits too. They said it's helpful to be able to read the question aloud and sometimes to hear a different interpretation of the question itself or different interpretation of the possible answers. Students can debate the answers and bounce ideas off of one another. And they said sometimes their discussions bring up points which make them remember something else from their reading. Thinking of giving it a try? Be ready with table dividers and remind students to choose whatever they believe is the best answer, regardless of what their partner or their group decide to choose. And depending on the trends of the class, maybe sometimes you stack the deck. I love that instead of using an assessment only to find out how much students know at a specific time, this method keeps the learning going for both the content that's being tested and the life skills that the students are practicing. I hope this video inspires you to give it a try.